Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session I am taking some of the doubts on data interpretation sent by a student. So I would suggest you to have your paper and pen with you, try to solve the problems on your own, then only match your answer and solution with mine, right? So let's begin this. Now we are having this pie diagram. Here failed candidate, passed male candidate and passed female candidate. So this is 210 degree, passed male candidates 135 degree and passed female candidate 15 degree. Now the first question is the total number of candidates is. See, we are given a number of female candidates passed, that is 50, right? And the passed female candidates are actually 15 degree, right? So 15 degrees 50, that means 360 degrees. What that we have to find out, right? So that's pretty simple. Okay, 15 degree is 50, so 360 is what? So it's must be 1200. Okay. Next is the number of passed male candidate. See, passed male candidate is 135 degree, right? Now 360 degree is 1200, so 135 degree is what? So from 360 we are having 135 and that's 1200, right? 120 into 10, so that's 3, so that's 450. So number of passed male candidate is 450, that's none of these. Okay. Now percentage of passed female candidates, that we know, that's 50. With respect to total examinees is 1200, that we know, right? So percentage of passed female candidate with respect to total examinees is 50 upon 1200 into 100, right? So that's around 6%. So still none of these. Next is percentage of passed male candidates with respect to all passed candidates. Passed male candidate that we have just found out in this question, that's 450. And total passed candidates are 135 degree plus 15 degree, that is male and female, right? So male we already know, that's 450, female is 50. So in all it is total passed candidates is 500, right? 450 males and 50 females. So that's 90%. Okay. Ratio of passed male candidates to successful female candidates. Male candidates passed 450, successful female 50. So the ratio is 9:1. Okay, very simple. So that was pretty easy problem, can be solved in, all the question can be solved in less than 2 minutes, right? So let's take the next set. Now here I am having a problem based on input and output reasoning. Here 6 steps are there for a particular input that is given over here, and the 6th step is the last step, right? As I have told you many times, concentrate on first step and last step, that is 6th step over here, right? Now there are various patterns of making input and output problems, right? So here in this case you can see 8, 7, 2, 10, 6, 4, there is no order of numbers, right? And you concentrate on this alphabets, so it is E, M, O, P, S, V. They are alphabetically arranged, right? But numbers are not there in any order, neither increasing or decreasing, right? So we got one thing, that the words will be arranged in alphabetic order, right? Now the second thing that you need to concentrate is, see, V-E-R-Y, very, 4 letters, 4. S-T-R-O-N-G, 6 letters, 6. 3 and 3, 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10 letters, 10. That means the words are arranged alphabetic order, and the number written besides the word is number of letters in this. Okay, number of letters in this particular word, right? Monsoon 7, off 2, prediction 10, strong 6, very 4, right? Now it's very easy. You crack the entire code. What is happening over here? Arrange the words in ascending order and write down the numbers of letters besides it. That's the entire story, right? Now we concentrate on step 1, how the things are getting arranged. In the first step, to arrange the words in alphabetic order, E has taken at the first step, right? So E has been taken at the first step. After that, there is no change in the story. As it is, all the words and the numbers are shifted to the right side. In the second step, this number is taken at the appropriate place after earliest 8, monsoon 7, and all the words and letters are shifting towards right hand side. Okay, so this is the way the steps are being followed, and sixth step is the last step. Okay, now it's very easy, and particularly in this problem only one input is there and all the 4 questions are based on this input only. So there are 2 options available with you. Either you go to questions one by one and solve them, or what you can do, you can write down all the steps for this particular input, right? So both ways you can proceed. Now since there are 4 questions based on this input, so I will write down all the steps to answer all the questions quickly after that, right? So the first step, alphabetically we have to take artificial at the first place, right? Remaining as it is, that's RE6, S9, RA 8, 12, unbelievable, and 10, right? Second step, in artificial there are 10 letters, so I have to shift 10 over here. A 10. Remaining steps are as it is. Okay, RE6, S9, RA 8, 12, UB, right? After that, third step, A and 10 is there, and then according to alphabetic order, RA and RE. RA should come first. So I take RA over here, right? So that's RE 6, S 9, 8, 12, UB, right? Then in the fourth step, what will happen? RA will be here, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there, right? So I'll shift 8 over here. So that's 8, then RE 6, S 9, 12, UB, right? Then in the fifth step, after 8, RE will be there. So RE as it is, then that's already there. After that, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll shift 9 over here. Then 6, S 12, UB, and then sixth step will be same. Then after that, RE will be having S, right? So I shift S this side, then 6, 12, and UB, right? And after that, the next step, that is seventh step, S6, UB will be here and 12 will be here. Okay, so you got the entire story now. So let's try the questions now. Now since I have written down all the steps, it will be very easy for you to solve all the questions, right? How many steps are there? 7 steps. Which is the position and all that, right? So I don't think there is any need to solve the questions from my side. You can solve all the questions on your own, right? I take the next input-output problem. Now see this, there are 5 questions in this set. First of all, we concentrate upon input, step 1 and output, right? There are 5 steps, and if we can see the 5th step, the, I, T, W, T, B and B. So there is no alphabetic arrangement involved over here, right, initially. After that, we can see 38, 30 and 6. Descending order of the number is there. right? So that means what is happening? The word number pair is there. Word number, right? Word number, word number. That means numbers are in descending order, and the word number pair has been arranged according to that, right? So this the 38 is a pair, then is 30 is a pair, and then 06 is a pair, right? After that, the story WTBBUBE, that means reverse alphabetical order is there, right? So that is the story for this particular set of question. Now since there are 5 questions, it would be rather better if you arrange the this words in like if you write down all the steps. Okay, so there are this, then 50, then 30, and error 40. What I do, I name all the, I number all of them, so it would be rather easier for me to write down on each and every step. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? Because then 30, then 50, and error 40, they will be together. Okay, so step 1, then 50 will be at the first place. So then 50, that is actually 5. After that 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10, right? After that second step, 5 is already there. After then 50, error 40 will be there. So 10 I have written over here. After that it is 1 2 3 4 5 and 10 is already there. 6 7 8 and 9, right? So that story is easy. After 5 and 10, it will be then 30, that is 8, right? So 5 10 8 is there. 1 2 3 4 6 7 9, right? 5 10 8 is already there. This is the third step. Then this is the fourth step. In fourth step, we have to start arranging the number in reverse alphabetical order. Okay, now if we leave this and this, right, we are left with various other words. So we have to see which of them comes last in the alphabetic order. So among all these, notice will come at the if we arrange in alphabetical order, notice will be at last. So here 5 10 8, after that we have to take number 3 at this position, right? Because number 3 is notice. So 5 8 10 3, that's 1 2 4 6 7 and 9. Now fifth step, after notice it must be note, right? So 5 10 8 3, then 9, then 1 2 4 6 7. Now the sixth step, 5 10 8 3 9, then after that major will be there, that means 7, then 1 2 4 6. Okay, this is the sixth step. Seventh step, 5 10 8 3 9, then 7, after major loss will be there, so that's 4, then 1 2 6. This is the seventh step. Eighth step, 5 10 8. You wish to write, otherwise no need, you can just put a line like this. Okay, till here it's already covered up. Then after loss, this doing is there, so that's 1, that's already there in this position. So after that in dictionary this ask will be there, so 6 and then 2. And the last step, the eighth step, right, all this story is same. Then 2 and 6 will interchange their position. 2 is any and 6 is ask. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not at all required, because A, S and AN, right? AN will come first, so here AN must be at last. So this step is not at all required. So 7, so that 6, 7 and 8 steps are there. Okay, Now friends, you can answer all the question. That's very easy. Uh, Above output is which of the following step, that you just have to match. Then what is the position of the word, what is the third step, how many steps, what is the position of 30 in the step 3. All these questions are very easy to solve, right? And to save time, what you can do, instead of writing this, suppose I have written all this, what you can do, you can make dashes over there. So you'll be able to save time. You just write down the next to next a number, whatever is required, right? So this way you can save some of the time. But if you write for a particular input all the steps, that would be rather better to answer all the questions, because after that you can answer all the question in a minute. Okay, so I hope you are clear. In the next session we'll be taking more doubts, and if at all you are having any sort of doubts, you can mail me on a Word doc. I'll solve that and upload. Okay, bye bye.